Firefighters. Focus question. How do firefighters help keep us safe? Words to know. Firefighters. Pump. Fuel. Spray. Machines. Training. Introduction. Have you ever heard a fire truck racing to a fire? Firefighters put out fires and save lives. They help keep fires from spreading. They teach people about fire safety. What makes fire burn? Fire needs air to burn. They also need fuel. Wood and oil are two kinds of fuel. The more fuel, the hotter the fire will be. But even a candle flame burns very hot. Kinds of fires. Firefighters put out fires in houses and tall buildings. They also fight forest fires. They must be ready to put out many kinds of fires. Firefighting tools. Firefighters use many different tools. They use hoses to spray water or flame on fires. They break down doors and with axes. They use ladders to reach high places. Smoke masks protect firefighters from smoke. Fans moving smoke from rooms. Fire extinguishers can put out small fires. Firefighting machines. Fire trucks are important firefighting machines. A fire engine has a pump to spray water. Ladder trucks carry ladders. Tanker trucks carry water. Rescue trucks carry tools to help trapped people. Other kinds of machines fight fire too. Firefight boats fight fires from water. Helicopter drops water on fires. Planes help put out forest fires too. Becoming a firefighter. Firefighters must be at least 18 years old. They must be strong and in good shape. They must also pass a written test. Firefighters go to school for training. They learn how to fight different kinds of fires. They also learn how to treat hurt people. Conclusion. Fire is useful, of course. People have used it to cook and stay warm for thousands of years. At the same time, fire can be very dangerous. Fires take many lives and destroy forests. Fires also destroy thousands of buildings each year. Long ago, fires burned down entire cities. Today, firefighters put out fires and keep us safe.